Hey, good morning. Welcome to Greensboro, North Carolina's Piedmont Triad International Airport, home of Carolina Aircraft. I'm Austin Farnham, and today I have the pleasure of introducing to you this 2005 A36 Bonanza 444 Whiskey Echo. This plane has been really well maintained and has a great useful load. Let's take a further look. 444 Juliet Whiskey has a Continental IO 550 with 300 horsepower. It's been upgraded with the Shannon baffling. It only has 1,190 hours on the engine, airframe, and the propeller, which is a Hartzell 3-blade hot prop. 444 Juliet Whiskey has been upgraded with 20-gallon Osborn tip tanks on each side. That'll give you about 120 gallons of fuel on board. At about 10,000 feet, you'll be burning about 16 gallons per hour. The paint on 444 Whiskey Echo is in great condition. It's Matterhorn white overall with burgundy and black striping. One of the things people love the most about the A36 Bonanza are the large double cargo doors. This aircraft features a 1,408-pound useful load, so you'll be able to carry a lot of cargo. It also features reversible club seating. The front seats can be taken out and be forward-facing. If you would like to take these back seats out, you simply lift up, pull pins, and take them right out with no tools necessary. Let's take a look at the interior of this Bonanza. The headliner, the sidewalls, and the seats and carpet are all in really good condition. You have an executive writing desk, plenty of headroom, 6-place shoulder harnesses, and factory air conditioning to keep you comfortable while you fly. 444 Whiskey Echo has a great avionics package with a PS Engineering PMA 7000 audio panel, Garmin 530W Navcom GPS and a Garmin 430W Navcom GPS, BFG WX500 Stormscope on the 530 with FIS B weather and FIS B XM weather on the 530 as well. A Garmin 345 transponder with ADSB In, Out, and traffic, dual Garmin 275s, a King KFC 225 Autopilot with altitude, vertical speed, Preselect, and yaw damp and GPSS steering. Other features include the JPI 830 engine monitor, LED landing and taxi lights, factory air conditioning, and USB ports. So if you're in the market for an A36 with a long range and large useful load, take a look at 444 Whiskey Echo. You can visit us online, give us a call, or stop by and see us. From Carolina Aircraft, I'm Austin Farnham. Thanks for watching.